Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Today is Wellness Wednesday. So, students, here are some different yoga poses you might try to get yourself a little zen if you're feeling stressed out at home or just need to relax. So you might try the butterfly pose, the snake pose, the flamingo pose, the monkey pose, the dog pose, or the giraffe pose. Give those a try to stretch out your muscles and give your brain a break. That is Wellness Wednesday for today. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have a breakfast sandwich, and for lunch, we have hot dog and fries. For tomorrow, breakfast is a cinnamon roll, and lunch is pulled pork or pork patty. Our birthday today is Jeffrey James. Happy birthday, Jeffrey. Important dates: Friday, we have Feel Good Friday. We have class celebrations at 1:30, and Friday is Pajama Day. That's exciting. Just a couple of announcements today. Library books need to be returned by Thursday. Ms. Smith will be picking those up each day. Teachers, don't forget to set AR goals so that students can test and track their progress. I'm pretty sure that every teacher has set their AR goals. I think we have a couple of friends still working on finishing those up, but I'm pretty sure that every teacher has set their goals. So students, you have something to work towards, and I hope everybody reaches their goal for this quarter. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.